Hello, this is Mr. Drink from Fulford School, and I want to say a big congratulations and a thank you to everyone who completed stage 1 in the Fulford competition. So everybody who submitted a response to this survey, thank you and well done. 29 of you have received your class charts positive, hopefully. If not, then get in touch. And also, you'll have been entered into stage 2, and I want to talk you through what that involves. Remember, stage 2 is just an internal competition within Fulford, and there'll be one winner of a £20 voucher before Christmas. And then after Christmas, I want to recruit people, so there'll be just one winner of the £20 voucher, but I'll recruit a team who can then go on to stage 3 to win the £20,000 prize for the school, to get some STEM resources, to invest in you, and buy some amazing prizes for you too. The whole competition is about making the world a better place, about how you can use technology to come up with an app, a website, or a gadget to make the world a better place. Doesn't matter if you don't think you're good with technology yet, because I just want your ideas and then I can work with you and train you up to help you learn how to program your gadget or make your app or something like that. And hopefully we'll learn lots as we go through. So you had some great ideas for what last year's winners did well and how we could do even better. So stage 2, let's have a look. You'll need to sign into office.com and then click on the little T for Teams. And you'll notice when you press on Teams that you've now been entered into the computing competition Longitude Explorer Prize. So all of the details of the competition are here. There's a sheet with more information about all of those 4 themes with suggestions and ideas. But the most important thing is this stage 2 competition. So you can get to it by clicking Assignments or View Assignment just here. On this assignment, you have a PowerPoint and you'll be able to open it on any device. You don't need PowerPoint at home to be able to edit it. You can do it in a web browser. There are some instructions on each slide. You just need to follow those instructions, make the changes, and then submit it. And you've got until just before the Christmas holidays. So I'm going to go through in this video. Feel free to watch this, pause this, stop watching at any point, but I'll give you some top tips on how to have your best chance of winning. So slide 2, you just need to choose one of these and delete the others. So is it about how people can live better, as in to overcome health challenge or mental health challenges? Is it about making the environment better? Is it about helping people live longer, so helping the elderly? Or is it about sort of travel and connectedness and reducing the impact on the environment and mental health to do with access to services, that kind of thing? So it could be an app, something that runs on a mobile phone. It could be a website that people access on a device. It could be a gadget, a robot, whatever. But it should be really clearly linked to one of these categories. It can link to more if you like, but you have to choose the main one. Slide 3, in no more than 4 sentences, tell me what it is. So is it an app, a gadget, a website? Tell me that in your first sentence. This box, tell me what it's called. And tell me what the most important feature is. What is it going to try and achieve? So keep that short, no more than 4 sentences, please. Some of you have submitted this already, but this is the one that people don't do all that well. This is the problem you're trying to solve. So don't tell me about your solution yet. Do some research. Trawl the internet and find some facts. If it's about helping the elderly, what are the issues that the elderly have to deal with? Why is it a problem? Try and get people to care by presenting some shocking statistics that shows how much of an issue that is and why we need to try and solve it. So no more than 200 words, but write it clearly, intelligently, articulately. Check your spelling and grammar in sentences, because the winner of this competition needs to be able to go on to stage 3, write a business plan, and we need to sell our ideas really well. If you need help with that, ask your parents. It's not an individual thing. You can work in teams, but write it as clearly as you can, please. Then this is about your idea. So if the last slide is about the problem, this slide is about the solution. So what will your app do? What features will it have? Or what will your website do? Or what will your gadget do? How will it solve that problem? What's different about your idea compared to stuff that's already out there? Slide 6 is dead easy. Just highlight, as in change the color of which one of these or which ones of these you're going to use. And if you're not sure about these, do Google them or get in touch to ask. And then it's likely that the winner will use this slide. So draw a little picture of your gadget and annotate it on a piece of paper, and then put that picture on this slide. Or you could record a video of you about your idea and put it in, but you definitely don't need to do that. But preferably a little design. If it's an app, maybe sketch a logo for your app and put it in here. This is the big thing that will make a difference, to show me that you're willing to put the effort in, you've got a great idea, and you can really clearly picture how it's going to make the world a better place. Once you're done, you close it and you press hand in, and then I get a notification. I will mark it, and the person with the highest score, the best idea, will win that voucher at Christmas. And then the best team of people I'll work with after Christmas to win that £20,000 prize. Thank you ever so much for your hard work. Do get in touch if you've got any questions, and I'm really looking forward to your competition entries. All the best. Bye bye.